So my topic for this week was service-oriented architecture. And this is a system that most companies use to, file transactions and do things like that. The reason this becomes very important, my two examples for this, paper or, video is going to be Amazon and Netflix. So we'll start with Amazon. They're a company that, e-commerce, they sell a high volume of items, and being able to distribute those, products on demand in reverse instead of, going off certain products at a certain time. This limits, the defaults that something could happen, and, the impact of one thing failing, won't affect everything else. And for something as such as big scale as Amazon, Jeff Bezos, it's important to have these things. And the same thing goes for Netflix. Just like, you have the home viewing, you have the recently watched, it serves in a bit of analytics and stuff like that. And it deploys a lot of different services. And like I said with Amazon, it limits, if something affects one thing, it won't entirely crash the whole system. And these are very important, to companies like this. It's, you're service based. What can you offer the consumer? And that's why these architectures are there, for you to have the best structure possible and limit the errors that can happen to a customer, or limit the bad experience that one can have with one of these things. And like I said, these become super important to big companies like this, and even smaller companies who have less, margin of error to make these decisions. And, the SOA is a very big thing, popular now, and the biggest companies are using it. And, I had enjoyment, studying this, and I hope you enjoyed my thought process on what I learned. And I appreciate you and the class. So thank you.